I just dunked the camera in my aunt's swimming pool to show her and my other aunt that this camera is waterproof. And here is the 87 Ruud Achiever 10, still running strong after a quarter of a century. And it's been more than 2 years since I've cleaned the thing. I wiped down the cabinet with Windex and paper towels, and now it's starting to get a little bit dirty again, but it is actually pretty clean. This is how quiet this thing is. And that is CJ. 15 years old. And I'm still going to clean the 1987 Rheem Classic X later today. Oh, that's a big spider. I remember the data sheet saying October of '97, but it's worn off. I'd guess that it's either 2.5, or 3 tons based on the size of the house and the size of the cabinet and the condenser coil. I just remember reading the data sheet before it totally wore off that said October of 1987. And the house was built in 75 or 76. So, I think it had oil forced air heat at first, but it didn't have central air, and then when the oil, I guess the oil furnace that came with the house failed, and they just put in a totally new system with central air, because it's a Ruud oil furnace that's the same exact color as this outdoor unit, so that would be my guess. But yeah, still running. Alright, I am going to stick the camera down here to try and get a better, higher quality clip of the compressor shutting on and off. And maybe I'll put it up here. Oh, the blade's too noisy. We're going to have to stick with down here for now.
Darling.
Hello. Hopefully I got a clip of it shutting down. Alright, so I think we're just going to wait a few minutes. It was at 70. It was set to 70. The house is at 72 because people have been coming in and out all day and the door's opening. And I set it to 74. And I'm going to turn it back down in a couple minutes. I actually don't know if this has a compressor lockout or not. Hello, Zeta. Alright. Hey, Zeta. Hey, Zeta. So yeah, there's the compressor down there. Kind of hard to there we go. Don't know what model that is. It's kind of squarish in shape instead of the oval. Okay, that was probably enough time. Let's see if it's ready to turn back on. There it went. Hopefully I got that clip. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.